Hello everyone, welcome to My Math Teacher. In this video, I am going to solve question number 3, 4, 5 from the exercise 8.1 from the chapter Trigonometry. This is for class 10 students from NCERT syllabus. The question number 3 is sin A is equal to 3 by 4. We have to calculate cos A and tan A. So the first step is always remember to write the mnemonics in the corner with a pencil. So, ka, toa. Inverse of sin is cosecant, that is hypotenuse by opposite. Inverse of cos is secant, hypotenuse by adjacent. Inverse of tan is cot, adjacent by opposite. For this one, draw a right angle triangle. Given is sin A is equal to 3 by 4. Now, as we know, sin theta is always opposite side by hypotenuse. So, that is sin A is opposite side of angle, this is side, angle A by hypotenuse. From this diagram, we will determine the sides. This 90 degrees, this is fixed. Now we have two acute angles, one here and the next one here. Now here sin A, which means now whatever we are assigning, that theta will be at the point A. So you can choose A here or here. That is your choice. So if I take A here, this is the angle. With respect to this angle A only, we will determine the sides. Now if this is A, let me write this as B and here C. Now with respect to theta, what is the opposite side? This is the opposite side, that is BC is opposite side. Now hypotenuse is always opposite to B, that is hypotenuse here. Now the remaining is adjacent, which is close to theta, but it should not be hypotenuse, that is adjacent. Okay, now as you can see, sin A is given as 3 by 4, which means opposite side of angle A, opposite side length is 3. Now hypotenuse, this is divided by hypotenuse. Now hypotenuse will be 4. This is 4. Adjacent side is not given, that is what we have to find it first. And then we can calculate these ratios. Sin A, opposite side of angle A is BC by hypotenuse, that is AC. Okay, this is sin A. The value is given. Now in triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB square value we don't know, that is what we have to find. AB square plus BC square is 3 square, that is equal to AC square, that is 4 square. Now AB square plus 3 square is 9, which is equal to 16. Now AB square is equal to, we can bring this number to the opposite side, it will plus 9 will become minus 9. AB square is equal to 7. AB is square root of 7. Now the value, that is the length of the side AB here is root 7. Okay. Now this is 3, hypotenuse is 4 and the side AB is root 7. Now we will find the first ratio, that is cos A. Cos A is, what is cos? Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent side to angle A by hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent side here? This is root 7 divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 4. So the first step ratio cos A is root 7 by 4. The next one is tan A. So tan A is this TOA. So opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side to angle A by adjacent side to angle A. Opposite side to angle A by adjacent side to angle A, that is BC by opposite is BC by AB. BC by AB. So tan is BC, length is 3 by root 7. 3 divided by root 7. This is a simple sum. We'll move on to the next one, question number 4. Question number 4 is given 15 cot A is equal to 8. We have to find sin A and secant A. Take this right angle triangle. I have named as ABC, where B is the right angle, 90 degrees. So I have taken A here, which is the angle theta. With respect to this angle theta, which is at A, we have to determine the sides. So now what are the sides? With respect to theta, this is theta, this will be, that is BC will be the opposite side, right? Now with respect to this 90 degrees, this will be the hypotenuse, that is AC will be the hypotenuse. Now the remaining AB will be the adjacent side. Okay. Now what is given? Given is 15 cot A is equal to 8. 15 cot A is equal to 8. Now cot A is equal to 8. Bring this 15 to the opposite side, it will be by 15. So now cot A is 8 by 15. We know cot is the inverse of tan. That is cot is adjacent side by opposite side. So cot A is adjacent side to angle A by opposite side to angle A. Now what is the adjacent side? Adjacent side is AB by what is the opposite side? Opposite side is BC. This is cot A. Now assign the values. The numerator is adjacent. What is the numerator given? 8. Adjacent side will be 8. Okay. The next one, opposite side to angle A. This is opposite side, that is BC. Now the denominator is 15, which is the opposite side, 15. Now we have to find the hypotenuse. So in triangle ABC, the same procedure by Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Now AB is 8 square plus BC is 15 square, which is equal to AC square. Now 64 plus 225 is equal to AC square. When you add, we will have 9, 8, that is 289. AC square is equal to 289. AC is equal to square root of 289. AC is square root of 289 is 17. The length of AC is 17. The length of AC is 17 here. Okay. With the help of all this information, we will find sin A and secant A. First, sin A, that is opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side here? BC by AC, which is BC is 15, AC is 17. 15 by 17. This is sin A. The next one is secant A. Secant A is, as we know, secant is the inverse of cos, which is hypotenuse by adjacent. Now hypotenuse is AC by adjacent is AB. AC by AB, which is 17 by, as you can see, AC is 17 by 8. This is secant A. That's all. So question number 4 is over. Let us move on to the next question, that is question number 5. Question number 5. given here is secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. We have to calculate all the other trigonometric ratios. As we know, we have 6 trigonometric ratios, out of which one is given. We have to find the rest 5, which are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, secant is given, so cosecant and cot. So with the help of this information, we will start. So here I have drawn the right angle triangle as usual. This is 90 degrees. So these two are acute angles. Let us name this triangle as A, B, C. Okay. Here at this point, let me take this as angle theta. That is, A is here at point A. I have assigned this angle theta. Now with respect to theta, we have to determine the sides. Now AC, opposite to 90 degrees, this is always the hypotenuse. Okay, opposite to this angle, it is opposite side. Now the remaining, this is adjacent side. Okay, now secant theta is given 13 by 12. We know secant theta is hypotenuse by, so you know this is inverse of cos, hypotenuse by adjacent side. Now hypotenuse is AC by adjacent side is AB. This is secant theta. Now compare with the hypotenuse and the given value. That is, hypotenuse will be 13 and the adjacent side will be 12. Here hypotenuse value is 13, adjacent is 12. We have to find the opposite side using the same procedure, that is Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle ABC, using Pythagoras theorem, so AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB is 12 square plus BC square, we don't know the value, so keep it as it is, which is equal to AC square, that is 13 square. Here it is 144 plus BC square is equal to 169. Now BC square is equal to 169 minus 144. BC square is equal to 25. So BC is square root of 25, which is 5. The length of BC is 5. B to C, it's 5 here. Okay. Now it's very easy to assign all the values according to the ratio. The first one is sin theta. Sin theta, as we know, opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC by, what is the hypotenuse? AC. Now what is the value? Sin theta is equal to, what is BC? BC here is 5 by AC is 13. So sin theta is 5 by 13. Next, cos theta, adjacent side is this AB by hypotenuse, that is AC. Now cos theta is adjacent, the length is 12 by 13. Now tan theta, what is the side? Opposite side, that is BC by adjacent side, that is 12. So adjacent side, that is AB. BC by AB. Here tan theta is, BC is 5 by 12. This is the next one. Now cosecant. So cosecant, as we know, the reverse of sine. Hypotenuse by opposite side. What is hypotenuse? AC. By opposite side, it is BC. Okay. Hypotenuse is, as we know, this is 13 by 5. That is cosecant theta. Now the last one, cot theta, which is the reverse of tan theta. Adjacent side by opposite side. What is the adjacent side here? AB by BC. AB is 12 and the opposite side BC is 5. 12 by 5. This is cot theta. theta. So these are the 5 trigonometric ratios. So I think this is very easy. Question number 3, 4 and 5 you must have understood clearly. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep practicing. Bye.